So guys, welcome back to another video. So this particular video, I'll be showing you this powerful donation website. Alright, so it comes with a lot of feature. You can create campaigns, you can create volunteers, events, and stuff like that. Alright, so in this particular video, I'll be showing you how this particular platform work and also how you can set up this particular website for your clients. Alright, so basically this is the front end of this particular donation platform, which is super nice. Design is okay, nothing too complicated. You can see the events here and stuff like that. You can see campaigns right here. All right, you can see campaigns. You can see, go to the campaign tab, so you can go to campaigns. All right, you can see all the campaigns we have. You can choose to donate. If you want to donate, you can either donate with bank transfer or cryptocurrency. I will show you how you can set all that. You can donate anonymously, or you can donate with your real details. All right, so we also still have a about us page. If we about us page talking about the platform, everything's already talking about donation. We have vacancy, so admin can also create vacancy, and people can apply for any volunteers. So admin can create a lot of, you can create volunteers, so they need volunteers for this, so you can apply and that will be sent. So we still have events. All right, so we have events, so admin can create events and people can um attend the event, so you can choose to attend that event. So also still have FAQ. We have the FAQ, we have the contact us page. All right, so once you log in, or for you to be able to donate, you have to have an account. All right, so basically once you create your account, you see this particular dashboard. You can see your total donated, impact call, donation, stuff like that, your milestone, volunteer. You can see your history right here. You can see your receipt right here. All right, so you can see continue to impact. You can see your history and receipts right here. So you can choose to open any receipts. Volunteer history. You can have your personal profile. All right, so to donate, if you want to donate, you just click on browse campaigns. On browse campaign, you can see, let's say, click on the details about this particular one. You put the amount you want to donate, whether bank transfer, they click on make this monthly payment, donate anonymously, click on donate. All right, so basically that's how the donation flow actually work on the campaign. All right, so next part is to show you how. All right, so now once you log into your admin, you will see this particular interface: total funds raised, total donation, active campaigns, registered donors. You can see the analytics right here. You can see the categories, recent donation. You can see everything right here. So we also still have campaigns. So this way you can create campaigns and you can also edit a particular campaign. All right, for the campaign, you can see the campaign category, the progress, the how much we have raised so far, the goal. So you can click to add a new campaign, or you can choose to edit this to add new campaign, or you can choose to edit or delete a particular campaign. So depending on you. So this to create categories. So these categories will be those categories you'll be seeing when you want to create campaigns. All right. We have donations. So donation is all the people that have done donation so far. And you can also see click on record donation. So you can choose to record your donation of a particular campaign. Donor name, donor email, amount, stuff like that. Then you click on save donation. Alright, so you can choose to delete or whatever. So we have events. So for events, you can choose to add new events, edit a particular event. Volunteers, so you can choose to add you can see open as the application. These are people that are volunteers, so you can choose to approve them. The open is these are the um, volunteers that are open for people to join. So you can choose to add new volunteers. Alright, so we have users. So for users, this are basically all the users on the platform. Alright, so you can see total giving, join and stuff like that. All right. So also still have settings. So for the settings, you can see the set of site name, contact address, the currency, the time zone, physical address, donation, stuff like that. To have social, to put your social link, to have SMTP right here to send your emails and stuff like that. So basically, that's how this as platform actually work. It's very straightforward, just like a regular donation platform out there. So basically, that's how it works. Right. So the next part of this particular video is to show you how you can set up this particular website for yourself or for a particular client. Right. Let's do that now. All right. Now, so basically, now for you to be able to set up this particular website for yourself for your clients, you will need a domain name and hosting. After you purchase that, you have your cPanel logins. So if you don't know how to get that, you can contact us and we'll guide you how to get that. All right. So basically, once you log into your cPanel, you scroll down and look for File Manager. Once you click on File Manager, go down, scroll to public underscore HTML. This particular one right here. All right. So for this particular video, you can upload your own inside here, public underscore HTML. But I've created a subdomain already. All right. So just for the same step, so I just do this my subdomain. So I just click on upload. When I click on upload, select file. Once I click on select file, I will click on the particular file, click on open. So just wait for it to finish uploading. All right, so it's still uploading. All right, so while that is uploading, let's go back to this page and search for DB, which is database wizard. Click on the database wizard. This first one right here, the first one. All right, so we'll create our database. Let's name it test one open link. All right, so click on next step. All right, click on next step, ask for username. So I just put the same name. Then for your password, you can click on generate password, then copy this password, then click on have copy password, but just want everything to be the same. Click on it, then click on create user. Once click on create user, next step is to ask for allow privileges. Allow privileges, click on make changes on next step. I'll click on make changes. All right, so once I click on make changes, that will be it. All right, so once you see this, just know that you are done. So just search for PHP admin. Once you search for PHP admin, click on that one right there. Still loading. All right, so once you click on PHP admin, just look for a database which you created, which is test one link. So I just click on it. Then I'll just click on import. I click on import, put our SQL file right here. But let's see if this has finished uploading. All right, it has finished uploading. All right, so I'll just reload here. I click on extract files. Once click on extract files. All right, when I see this note I finished extracting, you delete the zip file, don't need it anymore. Open this folder, select everything, then you move it to your directory or will be public underscore HTML. All right, so click on move files. When I click on move files, come to config folder, db folder, db file, edit db.php, edit. I click on edit, set your database name, your username, and your password right there. All right, so once you set those details there, once you scroll down, this is where you put your bank details. So you put your bank name here, your bank name, account number, Swift code, reference. Then for your crypto address, this is where you put your crypto address right here. Once you're done, click on save. All right, so once you click on save, edit this function.php edit. So this is where you set up your SMTP for your email. All right. Okay, sorry, that's from the admin. All right. So once you do that, you go back, enter this folder. We'll click on this database.sql file to download it. We already have that. So you come back here and click on browse. You click the SQL file. You click on import. So while that once that import, That means you are done with setting up this particular platform. You can see it's very, very easy to set up, straightforward. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome videos like this. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye for now.